Be my friends, be higher. I push through the crowd to find her. 'Cause now it's time to make my move. 'Cause where there's smoke, there's fire. Be my friends, be higher. I push through the crowd to find her. Now it's time to make my move. 'Cause where there's smoke, there's fire. Fire.
I'm Sanjay C, and this is AutoTune VOCODIST in 5 minutes. AutoTune VOCODIST is a new plugin by Antares, the makers of AutoTune, and it's included with the AutoTune Unlimited subscription. In this video, I'll run you through some features and use it on some songs I've been working on. I'm using VOCODIST on vocals, but you can use it on other instruments as well. VOCODIST models 20 classic vocoders, giving you some classic sounds and also the ability to create your own types of vocal synthesis styles. The easiest way to begin is to cycle through some vocoder models or artist presets. Let's run through some presets. How about some vocoder models? VOCODIST has auto-tune pitch correction built in, so you always have the option of applying it while using the vocoder. Set your key just like you've seen in other auto-tune plugins. It has an 8-voice polyphonic synth. It can track your pitch with just your voice input.
Push through the crowd to find her. 'Cause now it's time to make my move. 'Cause where there's smoke, there's fire. Leave my friends behind. Push through the crowd to find her. Now it's time to make my move. 'Cause where there's smoke, there's fire.
But you can also use it with MIDI input.
Be my friends behind. Push through the crowd to find her. 'Cause now it's time to make my move. 'Cause where there's smoke, there's fire. Leave my friends behind. Push through the crowd to find her. Now it's time to make my move. 'Cause where there's smoke, there's fire.
You can dial in some effects. Let's try spread, warm, or chorus. The XY pad lets you morph between two parameters of your choosing. When you open VOCODIST, there's a quick start screen that guides you through 3 types of vocoder setups. This is a great way to learn how to set up your tracks to take full advantage of VOCODIST, but it also gives you a good tour of the most important controls. Here's a tip, you can always blend in your natural voice using this control.
Gonna be lonely. Gonna be lonely. Somewhere in the night.
Use bands, cue, stretch, and slide to adjust the filter. Use the envelope section to accent certain frequencies. You can assign parameters to the XY pad for real-time control. Turn your voice into a chord by playing along with the MIDI controller. Or just routing some existing MIDI chords to VOCODIST. If you want to get AutoTune VOCODIST, I'll put a link in the video description. Keep making the music you love, and if you want to check out some other plugins, watch one of the videos right here. I'll see you later.